Why don't you want to open your presents tomorrow?
I don't want to because these presents are my.
Hey, you know what? Make all your.
They're your favorite.
Start passing.
My energy can't stop passing. It's stuck inside me until I open all the presents.
Anna, look at this.
That's my cat.
Oh my gosh, how cute!
I can't see.
Look, she
We're
doesn't
next.
care.
Anna, look.
Anna.
She's pulling her bow out.
Devastator! Devastator! Never hit Never.
No.
You want to taste? You broke it.
You guys have to share this.
It's only $7 down the trash. Oh, still. It still tastes.
Hey, yeah, he talks. Yeah, there you go.
Okay, go on.
And then can we open it up? No, we got.
Yeah,
She said we can.
I did it on
No,
purpose.
we still got more presents to open. Come on. And get off.
I think that is a giant.
I know that we.
Giant transformer.
We want that. We wanted that puzzle iron. We wanted that next Christmas.
Are you opening all your presents at once?
Mario Kart for DS. Wow, Cooper.
You know you're gonna be done. You open it up and it's a lot cooler
They
than
just
it
gotta find
looks.
the DS.
Yeah, really.
Oh, so pretty.
I know. I found out today that Rachel's like, oh, they misplaced the DS. I can't find it. I'm like,
It's
two
somewhere in
new
the house.
games.
The room's a
Oh
disaster.
my
It's really
goodness,
wasted.
that's pretty.
Will you give Cooper a hug?
Look what I found. Super Mario Brothers. He got Super Mario Brothers.
Oh, she's patting him on the back. See her?
I don't have a DS.
Oh,
But
that's
we can
nice.
share.
That's so cute.
Looking at it.
Uh-oh.
But it's really cool when you open it.
So fucking... Yeah.
I can't open this.
With your new...
I can't open this.
Yeah, I did that on purpose.
But this got
Open from the bottom, problem solver. Be a problem solver.
Where'd that go?
Super.
What's your rating? Dixon pussy is running into a... Jesus Christ.
Dang.
Yeah, they can't say that.
Oh, who got her that?
Sophie.
Nathan and I got her.
That's cute.
We needed
Sophie.
one for many.
Can you say thank you?
And I got
Are you still opening that?
baby diapers. Woo!
Sam, every part of this has one or more of
This
these.
is awesome. These are expensive, but this is at least a $25 gift. Baby diapers. Just kidding, it's not really.
Who's this from, Sarah?
Rachel.
Yeah.
Oh, she got me all kinds of good stuff. She put it all in a box. An alarm clock. Thank you, Jesus. Take a picture of my alarm clock.
I've got a video.
It's been 3 years since I've had one.
Do it a video.
All right.
I don't know how to fix it.
Some magnetic rings for the fridge.
I gave a copy of that to Sarah.
I don't know how to fix it. We have to open something.
I saw it. I have a copy.
Since it weren't for Grandma.
A tea kettle. Single person.
Shall sit there.
Nice.
Tea. To go with my tea kettle. You're not taking any pictures.
Videoing it.
Oh, all right, good.
He has said that 4 times.
And more frames. Hey, tell her thank you.
Take your shirt off.
Oh, so take your shirt off. Ooh, I cannot wait to find me an alarm clock.
Maybe all night. Where's that? Can I go?
Tell her thank you. Will you?
I will.